I don't know if you have this problem, but I've been looking for improving the green screen experience so the cutout is crisp and clean without those little greeny blurry bits or the little marching ants around the hairline. I'm getting closer. It's not perfect yet. I just thought I'd share with you how it is that I'm getting closer. So a couple of things. First of all, I'm now using the Apple iPhone 13 Pro Max in continuity camera mode. Now, I can do a separate setup video if you're interested in knowing how to do that, but I have improved my camera lens from my old Logitech 922, a couple of years old now, not really all that old. But if you want to know how to do that, there are probably plenty of videos online, but I can show you what my setup is around that. Probably what has improved the cutout yet again a little bit further has been putting more distance between myself and the green screen so that I become more strongly lit than the green screen and that the green screen doesn't have my shadow on it. We want a constant green, evenly lit green screen behind us, and now I'm separating that distance a bit further, and that's got rid of a lot of those little marching ants around the periphery and the edge that's going on. And then finally, I've added a little bit more extra light, nothing expensive, a nice little soft focus, cheap light that I bought here in Singapore for about $70. I'm happy to share those details. It's a little bit better than a ring light from my point of view. Ring lights tend to give those circles in the irises. Now that might be okay. Sometimes that's a disturbance for glasses. So this is a little bit off to the side. You can see my hand going beyond the edge of the green screen, but on this side here is where I've got my lighting, and you can see still a little bit of green bleed around the edge of my finger. But in terms of presentation, it's getting better. Now I like to start my videos and have myself positioned in the window a little bit to the left so that I've got room to put shoulder slides over the back of my head if I need to. If I'm going to go full screen, then I move myself a little bit further, and then I've got more room with the models that I like to teach and the way that that works. One thing that has really helped me a lot is to, in the map, to build scenes, and in each scene I have my slide and my visual setup that includes where I am, how big or how small I might be, and where it fits in, say, with the model behind me. If you want to know what I do with that, I do have another video, but just thought I'd cut a very quick update to you about the search I'm on to always look for crisper, cleaner cutouts. Why? Because it helps the attention of the learner not be distracted by glitches and little artifacts that are occurring in production that are always harder to clean up in post-production, and that keeps their attention on the message and the model. I hope that's helpful. In the comments below, ask me some questions you'd like to know about what I do with whether it's recording or it's in live sessions, and anything I've mentioned so far. Tell me, and I can share and show what I'm doing as a part of my improvement journey. Talk to you soon. Stay well.